So today we're going to be unboxing the Daxys Stallion and putting it all together. So let's get into it.
Inside you will find the bike, of course, and also a small box. Inside the box is parts you'll need for the build, including the kickstand and the pedals. And in the smaller box is the charger.
This thing looks sweet. Now we just need to get all the plastics and cardboard off of it, and then we can start putting it together.
This is optional, but carefully flip the bike upside down to make the wheel installation easier.
First up, you need to take off the fork stand. So just loosen this quick release clip, and loosen this nut, take it out and remove the fork stand. Grab the front wheel. Remember to cut this last cable tie. Now before you install the wheel, there is actually a brake stopper in between the pads. You just want to grab that, remove it. Now with the brake stopper out, make sure you don't press the front lever, otherwise the brakes will get stuck together. Now just line up the brake and lining up the wheel itself. Lined up. Next up, we're going to be putting the kickstand on the bike. This is what you're going to need. You're going to need these two rubber strips, the smallest Allen key that comes in the box, and this piece. First off, start by loosening each bolt with this Allen key to open this piece up.
Whilst it's still a little loose, grab the rubber strips and slot them inside the mount. Tighten these bolts with the largest Allen key that comes in the box.
With the wheel and stand now installed, we can carefully lift it back over, like that. Set the stand down. Lastly, we have the pegs to install.
The right peg has an R to symbolize it's for the right side, and tighten this one rotating clockwise.
And then with a 15mm spanner, just tighten it nice and tight so it doesn't go loose.
Now for the left side, it's the same thing, but you'll be rotating counterclockwise.